Hello and welcome to my latest tour. Today we are at the Holiday Inn Express in Dublin City Centre. This is room 211, which is a standard twin room. Come on in. So we will start over here. We'll come back a little bit. So that's the door. There is a floor to ceiling mirror, a chair and a movable desk. And in this, alcove here, there is an iron hairdryer and an ironing board, sort of hiding behind the mirror. Come back around this way. Two single beds with a telephone in the middle, plug sockets with USB and some reading lights. Come around this way, there is a window. We don't have the best view, unfortunately. I think you can pay more to have like a city view as such, but we haven't done that because we're cheap, so we've booked the cheapest one we could get as a view of the back of a pub. Come this way, there is TV, tea and coffee facilities with a kettle and mugs, etc. A little magazine rack with menu for downstairs and other little things. A little bit of a corner here, so this is where the wardrobe is. Some shelving and hanging space with hangers. There is some hooks on the wall, which we're utilising with coats. And down there is a safe and a little footstool type thing. I'll show the room from this angle. It's a very large room. As we've been walking up and down the corridors, we've looked in some of the other rooms and they seem quite small. That's just the size of the room that we've been given. And through this door here is the bathroom, or shower room I should say. So fairly standard. There's a large sink with sort of plenty of space around it for storage. The towels are stored underneath there. There's a toilet, and if I come in and close the door, there's a large shower. The products are Dove, very nice products that they're having here. Spin round, and I think that's everything I needed to tell you. So yeah, this is the Holiday Inn Express on O'Connelly Street in Dublin, and this is the twin room, and it's very nice. We're very pleased with it. Oh, finally, there is air conditioning. There's the outlet is up there, and hiding behind this curtain is the control panel for it. So it took us a while to find that because it is hiding, but it does have air conditioning, which works very well. Just do a spin round. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.